Hi everyone, today I want to talk about another project is social distancing using Python, deep learning and computer vision. So AI will serve us to stop the spread of the COVID. So in the fight against the COVID-19, social distancing has proven to be very effective measure to slow down the spread of the disease. People are asked to limit their interaction with each other, reducing the chance of the virus being spread with the physical or closest contact. So our program will use a pre-trained model YOLO version 3. So YOLO is just you look only once. He will capture all the boxes in our video or an image to detect the distance between these boxes and tell us if they are closeness enough or they are far from each other and they are safe. So let's go, let's see what we have. So we will import our dependency and import our label path and our weight path and configuration path and use it with OpenCv to read the image, and after that to predict the boxes and calculate the distance, and for each distance lower than a threshold, it will be considered as a risk or as a closeness. Let's run our algorithm for image. I will take first image and see the result. Okay, we are running the camera now. So when you are alone, you will be safe always. So stay home, you will be safe. I will show you if we are a group of persons that we are near to each other, that the program will detect that is a closeness and that they must be far from each other. Let's see the result of the processing AI. What they give, as we see, AI give us an alert. Let's stop this project, this and show you if you have some picture in some places, some crowded place, you want to sensibilize this place, and you can do that. Just will take a picture and so let's see if you are running algorithm in a picture, for example, just for testing our algorithm in picture. This first picture give us a good prediction. We are far from each other. We can reduce the threshold and we can make this two-person looks like closeness. Thank you for following my video. I just want that this project is not perfect because we didn't do a calibration for our video or picture. So if we have deviation or if we have we take the camera from one angle, so we can't really predict the distance between person, and this can give us wrong result. So you can show me in the second part how we can overcome all this problem with iBird view, and like that we can predict the real position for each person in our video or picture. Goodbye.